Good day, everyone. So today we're here in the Philippine Edwin College, and this very moment we're going to know what are the challenges and ethical considerations we need to consider in using AI, especially in our academic works.
Yes. So now we are here in PAC. We are going to interview some of the students of Philippine Advent College on how they are going to use AI in their academic works.
Let's go, partner.
Yes. Oh, partner.
Oh, interview these students. What are you doing, brother?
Our task to make different lines, shapes, and textures.
Oh, you are using your laptop.
I'm making different shape and inserting the lines. So that's it.
How about you, Miss? Do you have a decent output? So, as I see, you're using AI.
So I'm using AI for my academic works.
So, brother, do you think it is fair to you that you have the same work but he is using AI and you are not using AI?
Yes, I'm creative, so I don't care using those AI.
That's good, man. So, Miss, since you are using an AI, what are the things that you need to consider by using AI?
So by using AI, there's a key consideration when using AI. So it includes the team impact or transparency and basic biases control or data quality, and also ethics, privacy, and design integration and end user education.
Both of you, which do you prefer? Using AI or without using your AI, or the combination of the two?
So for me, the combination that
It means that using AI also help the students to
Yes.
do their tasks, right, partner?
Yeah.
So now let's interview another students.
Okay, let's go. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you so much for your cooperation. Here, partner. There are some students here doing their academic activities. So
Let's try to ask them.
Ask them. So what are you doing, please?
We're doing graphic design.
A graphic design. Wow. So you are good in making graphic design.
So here I'm making a graphic design by folk dance.
So you're also making your graphic design, right?
Yes, but I'm just searching in AI. So this is my graphic design.
Wow.
This one.
So you are using an AI.
Yes, of course.
Very good.
So both of you have the same activities or output, but you're just using your own traditional ones in which you're just editing your laptop. So is it okay to you or fair to you that your classmates using AI in their output?
Yeah, because I'm capable in doing graphic design.
That's good.
And how about you? Do you think your teacher didn't notice that you are using an AI?
She did not, or he did not tell us to make our own graphic design, but for today's generation, we use only AI for that.
So can you compare works
Yes.
and show it to the camera?
Hey, thank you.
Which of the two you prefer, with the use of AI or without the use of AI, or the combination of the two?
The combination of the two.
So it means that AI really help us in doing our academic works, right?
Yes.
Thank you for your cooperations.
Good.
Your brother and sister, so what are you doing here? You're editing some
I'm
pictures
editing some pictures by using AI.
using AI. How about you?
I'm editing pictures without using AI.
Okay, so do you think that it is fair to you that your classmates use AI in editing pictures? You are using your old ones, you're editing your pictures, right? So come here. Can you show us to the camera and how you're going to edit pictures without the use of AI? So you're just using brightness, contrast. Okay, that's good.
So you're using an AI by editing your photo.
Yes.
So can you show us how you use it?
I can tap this CCI, then tap this check, then I will type please make
these pictures concise and clear.
Okay, so that's how the improvement of AI.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
so much. Okay, so you're just using your phones and editing your photos without the use of AI. So, and you made your photos look good.
Yes.
So, you mean that it's not very important to use AI in editing your photo?
Yes, but I'm capable of to do it by myself.
Okay, that's good.
So you are using an AI by editing your photo. So that's good, bro. It make your work more easier, right? Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the last students that we are going to interview, partner.
Yes.
So, sisters, what are you doing?
We're just answering about our past lesson, which is all about leader and the manager.
So you're answering a certain questions, and you do it by your own, right?
Yes, sir.
How about you? You have the same work,
Yes,
and you are using what?
an AI.
An AI.
Yes.
So, are you done? So it is okay to you that your partner use AI in answering your certain questions?
Yes, it make her easier.
Okay, so what are the ethical considerations that you need to consider in using AI?
AI, but I revise it with my own.
So, AI is real helpful in our academic works, right?
Yes.
But we should also consider the challenges and ethical considerations in using AI,
Yes.
especially in making output, graphic designs, and images, editing some videos or photos, right?
Yes.
And also answering some questions. Thank you for your cooperations.